Your home is meant to be a safe haven, but it may unknowingly harbor items that could increase your risk of cancer. Everyday products, many of which seem harmless, often contain chemicals that can pose long-term health risks. This video highlights 10 common cancer-causing items you should stop using right away to protect yourself and your loved ones. 1. Toxic cleaning products. Many household cleaning products contain harmful chemicals like ammonia, chlorine, and phthalates. These substances release volatile organic compounds, which can linger in the air and contribute to respiratory problems and cancer. To reduce risks, switch to natural cleaning products or make your own using simple ingredients like baking soda, vinegar, and essential oils. These alternatives are safe, affordable, and effective for everyday cleaning tasks. 2. Air fresheners and scented candles. Air fresheners and scented candles often contain chemicals such as formaldehyde, benzene, and synthetic fragrances. When used, they release toxins into the air, potentially leading to respiratory issues and increased cancer risks. Replace these items with safer alternatives like soy or beeswax candles infused with natural essential oils. You can also use houseplants such as peace lilies or bamboo palms to naturally purify the air in your home. 3. Plastic food containers and bottles. Plastic containers and bottles can leach chemicals like bisphenol A, BPA, and phthalates into your food and beverages, especially when exposed to heat. These chemicals mimic hormones in the body and are linked to an increased risk of cancer. Opt for glass, stainless steel, or BPA-free plastic containers. Avoid microwaving food in plastic containers to prevent harmful chemical leaching. 4. Non-stick cookware. Non-stick pans are convenient but often contain a coating called polytetrafluoroethylene, also known as Teflon. When heated to high temperatures, these coatings can release toxic fumes associated with cancer. Consider switching to safer options such as stainless steel, cast iron, or ceramic cookware. These materials are not only free of harmful chemicals, but are also long-lasting and reliable for cooking. 5. Personal care products. Shampoos, lotions, makeup, and other personal care items often contain parabens, phthalates, and formaldehyde-releasing preservatives. These substances are known to disrupt hormones and may increase the risk of cancers, including breast cancer. Read product labels carefully and choose options labeled as free from parabens, phthalates, and artificial fragrances. Look for brands that use natural or organic ingredients. 6. Processed meats. Processed meats such as bacon, sausages, and deli meats are preserved using nitrates and nitrites. When cooked, these chemicals can form nitrosamines, which are known carcinogens. The World Health Organization classifies processed meats as Group 1 carcinogens, meaning there is strong evidence of their cancer-causing potential. Limit your consumption of processed meats and prioritize fresh, unprocessed meats. Incorporate more plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, and tofu into your meals for healthier alternatives. 7. Pesticide-treated produce. Fruits and vegetables treated with pesticides can carry harmful residues that, over time, may contribute to cancer. Many pesticides have been classified as probable human carcinogens. Whenever possible, choose organic produce to minimize pesticide exposure. For non-organic items, wash them thoroughly using a solution of water and baking soda to remove residues. 8. Synthetic fabrics and clothing. Synthetic fabrics like polyester, acrylic, and nylon often contain harmful chemicals, including formaldehyde and azo dyes. These substances can irritate the skin and, with prolonged exposure, may increase cancer risks. Opt for natural fabrics such as organic cotton, wool, or bamboo. Always wash new clothes before wearing them to remove any residual chemicals from the manufacturing process. 9. Dry cleaned clothes. Traditional dry cleaning methods use a solvent called perchloroethylene, commonly referred to as PERC. This chemical is classified as a probable human carcinogen and can linger in clothing, exposing you to its effects. Look for dry cleaning services that use eco-friendly or wet cleaning methods, which are safer alternatives. Whenever possible, choose clothing that is machine washable to avoid the need for dry cleaning. 10. Water with contaminants. Tap water can contain trace amounts of heavy metals, pesticides, and industrial pollutants, which may increase cancer risks with long-term exposure. Install a water filter designed to remove contaminants like heavy metals, chlorine, and pesticides, Drinking filtered water is one of the simplest ways to protect your health and ensure you're consuming clean, safe water. Taking action to remove these cancer-causing items from your home is an important step toward protecting your health and well-being. By replacing harmful products with safer alternatives and making more informed choices, you can create a healthier environment for yourself and your family. Small changes can make a big difference. Start by replacing 1 or 2 items and gradually transition to healthier options. If you found this information valuable, share it with friends and family to help them create safer homes too. For more health tips and insights, subscribe to our channel and stay informed. Together, we can build healthier, happier lives.